Okay. Oh, look at that.
Man, that thing is awesome. That is way better than a syringe and a 20.
I hear that we're putting stuff in our ears, taking out all the earwax.
Oh, there's some.
Piece.
Got a bit.
That's like a kidney stone in his ear.
Just straight into it.
Oh my god, there's hair in it.
And I have a blockage of earwax on his hair. It's so gross. Can you see it?
Yes.
Really? Oh gosh. Oh, I can hear it. Oh, I can hear better.
Oh, there it was. There it is.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh, yay!
There it is. Wow. There's more.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, this is totally worth the $30. Just for this one ear alone.
Dude, I can hear now.
You're gonna hear really good after this.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Holy cow.
Look at
You want to see that, Lizzie?
Feel good? No?
Yeah.
Huh?
Doesn't hurt.
Oh my gosh. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. There's already big chunks coming out. They're floating. That's gross. Oh, we got something. Look at this. Oh, Abby! Look what I got out of your ear. Look.
You know, it's a product that really could, cost you a little bit of money, like 30, 40 bucks right now, but it'll save you, or it could help save you a doctor bill. I mean, that's great.